Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide and show grid lines in Excel, how to change gridline colors in Excel, and how to hide and show grid lines of a selected area in Excel. There are two possible ways to hide and show grid lines in Excel. The first way is to go to View tab and find Grid Lines checkbox. If I unselect this checkbox, Excel hides the grid lines. If I select it, Excel brings back grid lines. The second way is to go to page layout and find grid lines. Underneath of the grid lines, there is a view checkbox. If I unselect it, grid lines disappear. If I select it, Excel shows grid lines again. It is how we hide and show grid lines in Excel. Now let's see how we can change grid line colors in Excel. Let's click on File, go to Options, Advanced, let's scroll down and find Gridline Color drop-down list. From this drop-down list, we can choose any color we want to use. Let's choose red color and click on OK. Now our gridline color is red. If I want to bring back original color or default color, I can do that as well. Let's click on File, click on Options, click on Advanced. Let's scroll down and find Gridline Color drop-down list. From this drop-down list, I choose Automatic and click on OK. Now original color is back or default color is back. It is how we change gridline colors in Excel. Now let's see how we can hide and show grid lines of a selected area in Excel. Let's first select an area. Okay. And let's try to hide grid lines inside the borders of this area. We first need to select the area, and from here we click on white color. Grid lines disappeared. If I want to bring back grid lines, first I need to select the area. After selecting the area, I click on No Fill. Grid lines are back. Now let's see how we can hide grid lines of columns or rows. Let's first select the three columns, and from here click on white color. Grid lines disappeared. If I want to bring back grid lines of these columns, first I need to select those columns, and from here I need to click on No Fill. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.